Para naman sa ating balitang tinututukan, nagpahayag ng suporta sa Pilipinas ang bumisitang US Navy Chief na si Jonathan Greenert kung sakaling magkaroon ng gulo sa pinag-aagawang West Philippine Sea. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami Waywaya Makalma.
Handang tumulong ang Estados Unidos oras na sumiklab ang gulo sa West Philippine Sea. Ito ang sinabi ni US Admiral Jonathan Greenert, ang Chief of Naval Operations ng US Navy. Anya, ito ay kanilang obligasyon bilang kaalyadong bansa ng Pilipinas. Ngunit sa ngayon ay hindi pa masabi ng opisyal kung papaanong paraan nila ito gagawin.
But of course we would help you. Now, I don't know what that help would be specifically. I mean, we have an obligation because we have a treaty, right? But I don't know to what capacity that help is. And without us understanding, how to your point, okay, well, they're occupied. Well, I don't know how that happened. I don't know what happened before. So without that full understanding, it's difficult to give you a deliberate, specific, crisp answer. But we'll help. It's part of our treaty.
Ilan kinomendahan naman ni Admiral Greenert ang hakbang ng Pilipinas na idaan sa mapayapang solusyon. Ito'y ukol sa ginawa ng China sa 9-dash line.
I thought it was a terrific idea. I think that it's a great idea to stay the course and bring this to fruition. Of course, that will be your decision, as a sovereign government, how far that will go. But I think going to establishing international norms, using that process, and bringing the requisite parties and saying, okay, so you say this, we say that. Let's write it down, if you will, and argue it in a debate, monitored by should be a disinterested third party, using the elements of the same treaty that we both signed up to, and carry that all the way through and see where that goes.
Inihayag lahat ito ng US Navy Chief sa harap ng mga estudyante ng National Defense College sa Campo Aguinaldo. Samantala, pinasalamatan naman ni President Fermin de Leon ang opisyal sa tulong na ginawa ng kanilang bansa matapos hagupitin ng bagyong Yolanda ang Eastern Visayas.
US military forces wasted no providing immediate help to the Philippines in terms of millions of dollars in aid, personnel, and equipment. They could not have bounced back as quickly without their help. Thus, let me take this opportunity for us to thank the people of the United States of America and the United States Navy under the leadership of Admiral Greenert for their friendship and help. Can you give them a very big round of applause?
3 araw na sa bansa ang opisyal. Kay Vice Admiral Jose Luis Alano, ang Flag Officer in Command ng Philippine Navy, unang nag-courtesy call si Greenert. Kasama sa mga napag-usapan ng dalawang leader ay ang mga regular port visits ng US military ships sa bansa, maging ang mga isinasagawang bilateral exercises at individual trainings ng dalawang bansa. Pagkatapos ay halos higit 1 oras nakipagpulong ang opisyal sa joint courtesy call kina Defense Secretary Voltaire Gasmin at AFP Chief of Staff Emmanuel Bautista sa Campo Aguinaldo. Bukas naman nakatakdang umalis sa bansa si Greenert, pero bago siya umalis ay may ilang kampo ng Philippine Navy sa Cavite ang balak pa niyang bisitahin. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Waywaya Makalma.